Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a fantastic tutorial on how to insert a mini calendar and date picker in Excel. This feature is perfect for visualizing dates and selecting them with ease, so let's dive right in. First, let's make sure we have the Developer tab visible in Excel. To do that, click on an empty area here or here or here, right click, then customize the ribbon, and make sure the developer option is checked, and then click OK. Great. Now that we have the developer tab, let's go ahead and insert the mini calendar and date picker. Go to developer, then add-ins, then go to store, in the source bar type date, enter, then choose the first one, click on add, continue, and that's it. You have successfully inserted a mini calendar and date picker in Excel. It's an excellent way to visualize and select dates with ease. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy Excelling!